Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you adjust to normal photo mode, tap, let's disable night shot, tap on this icon here, and that's how I can enable motion photo. So now let's take some object in motion. So now let's check out how it looks like. So as you can see, like motion photo, it really moves. It plays just like a video, but I don't know what's the difference. It's just a short video, but it's called motion photo, so let it be, okay? This is the motion photo. This is what you asked for. It's photo and it also moves. It's in motion. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.